Morning, welcome to Life for Dave. So I'm out Saturday morning before work, having about an hour and a half fishing before I start work. We're here at Rochford Reservoir in Essex. I can see some fishing on the other side of the tree. It's not over this side though. So, thought we'd have a little go before work and see if we can't catch anything. It's been a bit quiet this week. Weather's been a bit funny. We've had one sunny day and the rest of it's been wet and windy. Just have to wait and see what happens. I've just got set up and didn't see anything showing. I've just seen two fishing on the other side of that tree to the right. I might have to move. All the rigs are out. Got one fishing a single bait to the right. It's on the Carper Ultra Fluoro White Maggots. And the left one I've put out with a handful of pellets and bread mixed. And that's fishing on the Carper Coconut Ultra Fluoro. Both baits I've caught on well on this lake, so we'll see what happens this morning. I want to wrap this one up there, and if anything else happens, I'll get the recording going again.